Hello everyone, welcome to Drawlipar channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to change call background in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open your phone app. From here tap on three dots, then go to settings, then go to call background. From here choose any SIM card as you want. If I select SIM 1, here at the bottom you can see background option, then tap on it. Now from here you can choose any call background as you like. If I select this background and then tap set as call background, and it's done. If you tap background option again, then tap on plus icon. Now from here if you want to add more call background from your gallery, you can easily do it from here. And that is how you can change call background in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.